Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nisrina Rahmadiani. I'm from class 9A Junior High School Wantari. I will tell you about story of Fierce Lion and Frog. Happy watching! Fierce Lion and Frog. Once upon a time, there was a fierce lion living in dense forest. He was the king of the forest. The lion was the king of the forest. He had a strong and powerful voice, and he roared to please himself and scare other animals. All the animals were scared of him. He also knew every corner of the forest and every animal and every soul in it. In the middle of the forest there was a pond. The lion used to come in this pond every time he felt thirsty. This was his daily routine. The lion could drink water and sleep there for some time every day. One day the lion was very thirsty, so he decided to go to the pond. When he came to the pond, he directly drank water. After the lion finished drinking water, he decided to lie down by the pond. As his eyes were closing, he heard a sound. This sound had never been heard by him before. He was disturbed of the hollow and cracky sound. He opened his eyes, but he was unable to see anyone. Then the same sound was coming again and again and again. It made the lion tremble and feel. Where is it? Is it a ghost? The sound was continuously coming from the pond. After some time, a frog crawled out of the pond and croaked. The lion saw and made sure that the sound came from a frog. The lion became angry that he had been scared out of his wits by a frog, so small creature. The angry lion roared at the frog, and the frog was frightened. He jumped onto the frog and threw it into pieces with his claws. How poor was the frog! It never croaked again. That's all the story of the fierce lion and frog we can share for this occasion. We hope the story about the fierce lion and frog above can entertain you, and we can also catch the moral value of the story.